Hello and welcome to another SAP Ariba Customer Self-Service video. Today we'll be talking about knowledge projects, which can present contextual information to your sourcing and contracts users in the user interface. So what is a knowledge project? It's a workspace that's designed to contain process and reference documents, such as external or internal SAP Ariba reports, links you might want to access while you're executing a sourcing project, etc. I've seen many customers create, for example, category plans and category objectives and add those to match to sourcing projects, as well as customers using SAP Ariba spend analysis reports within the context of their sourcing projects. So how do knowledge projects work? When you're working on a sourcing project or contract workspace, SAP Ariba will display links to documents from knowledge projects on the left-hand pane of the screen. This content is presented when it is matched by commodity, region, or department. And you can also match content to individual tasks that are contained within your sourcing and contract workspaces. So what are the benefits? The benefits are that it presents in-context documentation. So your users don't have to access external repositories where you might maintain process information, reports, or links to external resources. They can be presented within the UI. Also, when you update the knowledge project, any new project that is created, such as a sourcing project or contract workspace, will automatically show the new content. Let's review 4 steps to getting started with knowledge projects. The first is ensuring you have the correct permissions to create the knowledge project itself, one of these that I'm showing. Next is ready your content. You want to aggregate your content based on region, category, or department because that is how the knowledge project will ultimately match to the sourcing project or contract workspace. And the content should include external documents, external links, process documents, category cards like I mentioned, or perhaps SAP Ariba reports. Next, you'll create the knowledge project. You'll associate the proper category, region, and department to that project and include the content I mentioned above. Finally, your end users will simply create sourcing projects and contract workspaces. When they create the sourcing project and contract workspace, they'll select commodity, department, and region, and that will automatically match the knowledge project. All related knowledge documentation will appear to them in context. Now, let's show how to create a knowledge project. On the main screen, you'll click Create Knowledge Project. You'll give your knowledge project a name. In this case, I'm going to call it the MRO category card. And then I will apply the commodity, region, and department designations. So for this category card, I chose a high-level commodity for maintenance. The region that it applied to will be the USA. And I'm not specifying any department. I'm choosing all departments, which is an option in my department list. It's important to note you don't have to select all of these. You can match on any one of them. Then below, you'll select your knowledge project template and click Create. I've now switched to a knowledge project where I've included content. As you can see, I've created some shortcuts to different spaces in the solution. I included an annual category plan that buyers should consult as they're executing these projects, as well as reports from spend analysis. I've even added an external link that would take them to a commodity index price resource. If you add documents to quick links by clicking on the document and clicking Add to Quick Links, it will appear in the Quick Links section, and then in context when you're creating your project or workspace, these quick links will appear in the left-hand pane. I've now created a sourcing project that has the same commodity as my knowledge project. And you can see here in the left-hand pane, you have this Expand Projects button. Here, my MRO category card knowledge project automatically matched, and I have access to my links here that are going to help me execute the tasks of my sourcing project. I can also navigate directly by clicking Open to the knowledge project itself. Thank you for viewing this customer self-service video on knowledge projects. I encourage you to begin creating knowledge projects to facilitate your end users' access to information in the sourcing and contract process. If you have any further questions, you can search knowledge projects from the Help menu or at SAP Ariba Connect, or reach out to your customer engagement executive.